Okay, so with this example here, they're going to ask us to use those log rules. You see them just above before we differentiate. So this is a little bit of a throwback to advanced functions. Pretty simple stuff here. So first rule, we have this exponent. I talked about this on an earlier example. We can swing that in front. That is referred to as the, I think it's called the power rule in advanced functions. 2x cubed over x plus 3. Okay, there's another rule. I think it's called the quotient rule, and that's where we can actually, when we have division, we can break them up. So this becomes 3 log 2x cubed minus 3 log x plus 3. Okay, so now that we've done this stuff here, we're now at the point where what we can actually do, this is supposed to be 3x squared. Oh, so let me fix that. It's no big, sorry, 2x squared. No big deal. I'll just take a second to fix. Okay, so what I want to do next is I just want to take the derivative. So we're just going to follow those basic rules. Now remember with logs, if there's no base, that means that the base is 10. It's kind of like with square roots or radicals. If there's nothing written in the radical, it's assumed that it's 2. Alright, so let's work this through. Keep the 3 in front. First rule of taking the exponent of logs. We take it to the base and then to that exponent, so 2x squared. Okay, then we take ln of the base, which is 10. Then we take the derivative of the function, which is 4x. Like so. Okay, next, we move on to the next one. So minus 3, 10 to the x plus 3 times the ln of 10 times the exponent of x plus 3, which is just 1. Okay, so now we're looking at this and saying, is there really a whole lot we can factor out and simplify? There really actually isn't, but we can kind of clean it up a little bit. I can at the very least factor out a 3 ln 10. And then, so I've got rid of those two, so that leaves me with 4x times 10 to the 2x squared minus, gotten rid of the 3 in the ln 10, 10 to the x plus 3. Like so. Hopefully that makes some sense. This was probably, for some of you, this is probably really intimidating. For those of you who have taken calculus and vectors before and you've seen this the second time around, you're probably thinking, wow, this is simple stuff. It is actually pretty simple once you've done it a couple times, but it can really take a couple times. I highly suggest you do the homework. I highly suggest you learn this stuff because these are easy marks in this course once you get the hang of it. The difficulty is sometimes, especially when you're going to be countering, there's a lot of multiple choice in online learning. So there's going to be a lot of factoring that you got to make sure you know how to do. All right, good luck with the homework.